So I thought, what better way to show you how to use Screencastify Editor and YouTube Editor than to actually do it for you live? But in order to do that, I need to have videos to put together. So I've created a series of videos that I'm going to put together live for you during the talk. And within the video are little tips and tricks from me. All right. So one of my tips when I'm doing Screencastify is I like to be in preview. All right. So that takes away everything but the slides. All right. And then you could go a step further and put your monitor in full screen, and then it's only capturing your slide deck, and then you can move through your slide deck as you're talking, and not have to worry about seeing anything distracting in the video that you're recording. To get out of full screen, you just use your full screen button, and then if you wanted to continue editing your presentation, you could just hit the back button and it'll take you back into your editor. Another little tip is when I'm going to like make videos piecemeal, is I like to name them some kind of like number sequence and like word sequence, so it's easy for me to find the videos and I'm not searching for them in the folder, because once you're in the editor, it just takes you out into the folder and it becomes alphabetized. um, so you can do this right in the video, right? Right when you make it. But if you didn't want to, or you wanted to go back and use older videos, you can rename them pretty easily in by just clicking on them from the folder and then just changing the name up here. So you could have um, a So you may have noticed that the end of that video got cut right off because I get excited at the end of my videos and I use the shortcut Alt Shift R to start and stop the recording. So if you hit that too soon after you've stopped talking, it cuts off about 30 seconds, which is a lot of time. So I recommend that you leave some time. All right. It's really easy if you leave an awkwardly long amount of time at the end to just use your little scissors here to cut off those big chunks. But having those longer chunks of free space also allows for you to have play around with your transitions between the videos that you're putting together. So it's always just a good practice because you never know when you'll want to put a video inside another video. um, to just leave a lot of extra airtime at the end after you stop speaking.